Have you always wanted to be a photographer? Maybe a smartphone photographer or real life camera photographer. But you never really got to it, probably because you didn't have the best smartphones or you couldn't afford a camera. Well, guys, by the end of this video, I can assure you that I would have successfully turned you into an AI photographer that will be charging money to create these digital images. Yes, this you see on the screen here, guys, there was no studio, no setup, nothing, all done with free AI tools. So I can assure you that if you pay attention, if it has always been your desire to create aesthetically pleasing photographs like the one you see on screen here, I would make you into a photographer by the end of this video. Now think about all the types of shoots that are out there: product shoots, lifestyle shoots, modeling shoots, magazine shoots, film shoots, birthday shoots. There are too many of them. You can be doing it and charging people to give them a digital makeover. Yes, you can. And I'm going to be showing you how to do this with free AI tools. So if you are ready, show me you're ready by clicking the like button as we jump into step one, which is curate your styles. Okay, so for the sake of this particular exercise, I'm going to be trying out different styles and I'm going to be placing them in categories. But for you, you probably have a niche, you have something, maybe a taste for a kind of style of shoot. Maybe it is birthday shoots, maybe it is product shoots or whatever. You would have to use this same prompt. Okay, for me, what I said was Gemini AI should curate a list of styles in different categories. What you need to do is tell Gemini AI your category of shoot, right? The type of pictures you want to create, and ask it to create styles in that niche. Then move over to step two, which is to use Claude AI to turn your styles into image prompts. Yes, because of course what you had at the beginning were just styles. What you want to do right now is to turn those styles into real, image prompts. So you can pause the video here, take a screenshot of my prompt and use it. Okay, so you can check it out in the pinned comment of this video to get the prompt I used. All right, so I described even up to the camera and everything, and guess what? It's going to give me all of that. Then I move to step three, which is to generate the images. Now this you need to listen carefully. We're going to use Gemini again, yes, but we're going to be clicking the create image where we would have access to Google's Nano Banana for free. Okay, here you'll be creating images in 1K to 2K. Okay, that's the max you can get here currently on the free plan. Okay, so what you want to do is to get a clear headshot, yes, of your character. Every single thing must be visible for the face of your character. Make sure the lighting is perfect. Once you do that, you import that image of your character in the right dimensions you want. So Gemini has this default of generating images in the square format, but if you want to get images in portrait format, that is 9:16, go and change the format already, okay, before you bring it into Gemini. So the image you are importing will be the sample image that Gemini will be translating from. All right, so once you do that, click the plus button you see on the screen, upload your image, and then impute your prompt. Remember to tell Gemini to keep the character 100% consistent, and if your character has probably some key identification factors like I do on my face, there is a birthmark on my face, make sure you emphasize it that it is not a flaw but a means of identification, so that it will not remove it thinking it's a flaw. So once you put that initial prompt, what you want to do is go over to Claude AI and copy the first shot. So you go there and copy everything you see in shot one, copy it. It has created a very detailed prompt, and trust me, you can only keep getting better. So just go copy that, put that under the initial prompt of keep your character consistent, okay, and then send it. Once you do, Gemini will generate your character with, the new description, the image prompt, using your exact face. Can you see the pictures on your screen here? Can you see how they look superb? So you keep doing this for all of it. So until you find the style that you want. And of course, you know that this is AI, right? So sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't get it, but you would keep generating and generating until you get what exactly you want. So here I am just testing out, like I said, I'm testing out different styles. I tested out the vacation shoots, I tested out the birthday shoots, I tested out I didn't do product shoots in this one here, but I did like ads, like a face ad, at the beginning. So you can test out for different types of shoots that you want. And if there's a specific kind of shoots that you want me to, create another video for, let me know in the comment section. Type it in the comment section. And if you're getting value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. Click the thumbs up. It is under this video right now. Click the thumbs up. It helps a lot. It pushes our video far. I'll be back again with another video. Bye.